Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle Moisturizing Razor for Women with Bikini Trimmer 1 count. It seems dull, even with a fresh battery has struggled to take off a single hair, even comes with a battery. This is the best lady parts idea ever. Mine stayed on for no problem. Now the blade is quick to clump up, so it's good to rinse at every stroke or two. Not really a fan of the actual shaving razor though. It feels like it nicks me all the time, and it doesn't curve around legs or anything. Works okay, could definitely be better. The blades are nice, but the trimmer is trash. The company sent me a voucher in the mail for a new one, which was nice. This is okay, but has Terry's no cap for the razor blade, so if you leave it in the shower, the moisture strip wears away quickly. I've never tried another electric razor before, and this one works great. Haven't had any problems with the button, or anything else other people have had trouble with. Terry's a good premise here of providing for all the important shaving needs, but improvements needed, please. The razor moisturizes really well, but lets out so much as if it were drooling. Although it does take a little longer to finish, it is well worth it since you don't have to worry about painful hair pulling. For the price, this is perfect, and it is waterproof. The razor itself has laid us many leg shaves without having to be replaced yet. It's great. The only thing that is bad about it is that it got pretty dirty mildew in the trimmer part. The razor was nice the first few times, and it wore out and was no longer smooth for sensitive skin. First of all you dedicated folks who have been repurchasing these after they break down, gives a much more leveled cut than scissors, but doesn't cut all of the hair off. That is what the normal razor is for. Mine dropped from a high ledge in a full tiled shower, and it was fine. I've always been eyeing it in stores, and it's $18.20 at the places I've found it. The little trimmer is quite cool, definitely has made for easier shaving, and less ingrown hair. You load a battery, and press the button, and it activates, no need to hold down the button. Replaceable razor only lasts for 2 shavings before dulling, and the moisturizing strip wears away. Trimmer side is not wide enough, or strong enough to give a thorough trim. Only downside is that the gel strips on the razor seem to disappear pretty quickly, but you can buy replacements. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.